For anybody who is looking to get the black square around your Google slide out of your embedded Canvas link, this is the YouTube channel for you, so take a look. All right, what you're going to do is have your Google slide already open. You're going to come over to File, Publish to the Web. You want to click on Embed, and then Control-C for copy. Then you're going to go back into your Canvas page. We have a blank Canvas page right here. In order for it to work, you need to come down to the HTML code icon. Now we can Control-V our embedded code into here. Now, the key to this is right here where you see 3,000. See the 3,000? All right, right there, you are going to type in and RM equals MINIMAL. So minimal. All right, now we can check to see if there's a frame around the border by clicking on our rich text editor. And ta-da! There it is. There are no borders around there. Let me show you what it would look like without this code. We already have this frame around it, but if you don't want this frame, this is the code to use to get it off. And sometimes there's even a frame up around the top and the sides, and that's really annoying. So I hope this tutorial helped, and I'll catch you at the next tutorial.